Hey friends, a lot of people wish to know where Microsoft Edge is located on your system. Now, obviously, it will be located in program files. Like I can go to C drive and then I can go to program files and then I will either find Microsoft Edge here or I will find it in program files 86. So I will find Microsoft Edge. That's not a big deal. But the easier and the more appropriate method is to go to edge colon // versions, and then I will get the location here. This is the exact location. So it is in program files and then Microsoft and Edge. Okay, now I have the exact location and then I have Edge. And here's the application. Here's Microsoft Edge. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.